This 5-minute solution will show you how to remove third-party app sites who access to your Google account to secure your Gmail. So first of all, open your Gmail and make sure to log into your account. Then click on your profile photo and click on manage your Google account. Once you are in this page, select the security tab. Scroll down until you find your connections to third-party apps and services section. Here you have to click on see all connections and you will get the list of third-party apps and services you provide accesses. Now to remove any of them, just click on the app or website and click on delete all connections you have with the app name or the website name. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.